Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I made a beautiful platter. I'm really into the bumblebee stuff right now, or the lemon decor. I think they go together. I mean, the yellow and the black. The buffalo check, I think it's all just so friggin' beautiful. So today I made a charger to set out. It's from the Dollar Tree. It was silver, kind of like an ugly color. I don't really like silver that much. So I just painted it and redid it. I wanted to let you guys know that the paint that I used to paint the charger is not the paint that I show in the video. I did paint it with that Rust-Oleum paint, but when I went to transfer my vinyl, it just pulled all of that crap up, and oh man, I was so frustrated. I almost gave up on the project, but I'm glad I didn't, because it is so pretty. So the paint that I ended up using, but I don't show it in the video, is the Apple Barrel Walmart paint for 50 cents. It's just the yellow paint, and I think it looks really, I actually like that color better after it dried than I did the Rust-Oleum, because the Rust-Oleum was brighter. And if you really look at the picture frame stand that I made, then you can kind of see the difference in the yellows, because it's a little bit brighter than the other one. But I just wanted to let you guys know that, and I wanted to let you know about my my giveaway video. I'll try to link it in the description box below. Sometimes it won't let me do that. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So I might end up having to put it in the comments or something. But once I get to 500, I plan on doing a drawing, and your name will be entered as long as you comment on that video that I have for the drawing done, and that you shared it, and that you subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed and you would like to subscribe, please do so. It's just a click of a button, and I would really love to get to my 500. And I hope that you guys really enjoy my videos, and that they inspire you a little bit to make your own crafts. And I am by far not a professional when it comes to this. It's just something I really like to do, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And let's just get right into it. To get things started, I bought this charger from the Dollar Tree, and I painted it white with the Waverly chalk paint, because I wanted it to have a base coat so that my yellow would show up very bright and not be dull against that silver. So here's the Rust-Oleum paint, which I think is the devil. I used it on here, and it just peeled off like rubbery paint. I don't know what happened. But I did use it on the wood too, and when I used it on the wooden items, it worked just perfect. It was fine. So I'm not sure if it was just that it was a gloss or what it was, but the contact paper definitely pulled it up. So I got this little stand at the Dollar Tree too. Thought it was really cute, and that it would work for other purposes than what it was intended. So that's why I bought it, and I'm glad that I did. This piece of wood I bought from Walmart. It was like 97 cents or something, so it was still cheap. It was $1 pretty much. Well, it was under $1. And I just painted it yellow too, and my intention is to just hot glue it to the stand so that it stands upright, and it worked out pretty good that way. Next is my paint pen. I love these things. They're so much fun to work with. I technically could have just painted it with a paintbrush, but I wanted to use the paint pen. After it was all dry, I went ahead with my Cricut and I cut out a few different prints, which this is one of them, and I just stuck it to there, and then you'll see I just hot glued the board to the stand. And I also got these little clothespins from the Dollar Tree. You get a whole big pack of them, and they're really cute. They're tiny, so they work perfect for crafts like this. And I just hot glued it to the board too, so that it would hold a picture in place. So it would be kind of like a little holder. Then after I got it all set together, I just placed my picture on there, and I thought it was just so adorable. And it looked a little plain, so I added a little black. Here is the charger after I painted it with the apple barrel paint. And this is what I printed out with my Cricut, and I just transferred it. And you'll see that there is some imperfections in the paint job, but that's fine because I ended up using the black to give it some texture, and I just love the way it looks. Then I took some greenery that I got from Walmart, and the flowers came from the Dollar Tree, and I just placed those on there like that. I held the ends together, and I did the same thing with the flowers, and I just wrapped floral wire around it, and then I hot glued it to the platter. This is where I took my ribbons and I just made loops in them like that and cut the ends and placed them together, and then took floor wire like that, bunched them up, and that's how I made the bow. And then the biggest part about your bow is the fluffing and the situating the tails and things. That's the hardest part. So once you get all your pieces together, just bunch it up and then fluff it out. And then I just took and hot glued it on there after I got it fluffed pretty good. And I'm telling you, I love the result. I hope you guys like it too, because I'm obsessed with it. Anyways, here it is, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day and happy crafting. And don't forget to subscribe.